Friends, today we will take you on a journey to the most expensive and luxurious motorhome in the world, which would not be wrong to call it a walking neighborhood. And we start this wonderful journey with a car that is not only like a 5-star hotel from the inside, but is so strong from the outside that it can go on any dangerous and difficult road in the world. We are talking about Australia's famous Camberlake Kira van. This car has been specially designed for those who prefer to travel in the jungles, mountains, and deserts instead of the common roads, but do not want to compromise their comfort. Its price starts at around $100,000 to $150,000. Although it is a little smaller than the cars coming ahead in size, its design is so smart that it opens after stopping and takes the shape of a big house. There is a very comfortable queen-size bed in the Camberlake, a modern kitchen with induction stove and microwave, and a magnificent bathroom with hot water. The most special thing about this car is its technology off-grid capability. It has a very powerful solar panel on its roof, and a large set of lithium batteries in it. This means that even in a desolate jungle, you can spend a fulfilling life with your AC and TV for many days without any external power or water connection. This car proves that adventure does not mean enduring difficulty. Friends, if Camberlake could not impress you and you want a bigger and more powerful moving house than this, then the EarthRoamer SX is made for you. This car looks like a machine from a Hollywood science fiction film that has been made to keep people alive even after the end of the world. This car, built on the chassis of a very large and powerful truck of Chevrolet, starts at about $10 lakh, i.e. $1 million. From the outside, it looks like a military tank, whose body is made of carbon fiber, which makes it stronger than iron and lighter in weight. But as soon as you open its door and step inside, it feels like you are in a luxury penthouse in New York. Inside it, there is a very large bed of California king size, very expensive leather sofas, and hand-carved wooden cupboards. The kitchen has an expensive marble countertop, wine fridge, and espresso coffee machine. Its most unique technology is its water and electricity system. It does not have gas cylinders like ordinary motorhomes, but it runs completely on solar energy. It has the ability to store so much water and electricity that you can live on the top of a desolate mountain for weeks. But with all dear friends, now we leave the jungles and mountains and head towards the magnificent and bustling roads of Europe, where cars such as the Motorhome Empire line rule. This motorhome is a model of European beauty and German engineering. Its price starts at $500,000 and can go as far as you want. The design of this car is extremely modern and clean. The glass in front of it is so big that a person feels as if he is sitting in the cockpit of a spaceship. The look inside this car is enough to surprise any person. As soon as you step on the ground, you will feel that the floor is hot because it has an underfloor heating system so that you do not feel cold even in winter. There is a magnificent rain shower in its bathroom, whose roof is glass, meaning you can see the stars of the sky while bathing. Its bedroom is like a master suite, and there is a very large panoramic window in the living room, which can be viewed from the outside. Friends, the most special thing about Motorhome is that there is also a small secret garage in the back of it, in which you can park your small smart car or heavy bike. This is the ride of those people who are looking for extreme luxury and simplicity. And when we come to America, after leaving Europe, luxury means something else there. The Newell Coach built in America is such a motorhome that it would not be wrong to call it a private jet on wheels. The price of this magnificent motorhome is more than $2 million, i.e. $200,000. This is not a car that you can go to a showroom and buy immediately. Every car is made by hand with the hard work of many months according to the customer's choice and request. Therefore, no two Newell coaches in the world are exactly the same. As soon as you enter this 45-foot-long car, you get to see the shiny countertops of quarter stone and the world's most expensive furniture. It has 4 different air conditioners so that the temperature of each room can be controlled separately. Its master bedroom is no less than a king's dream house, which has self-opening cupboards and a great home theater system. The latest technology of driving has been used in it, which includes radar cruise control and 360 cameras, with the help of which, driving such a big car becomes as easy as driving a normal car. But, friends, when it comes to Hollywood superstars, they need something bigger and more unique than the Newell Coach. And this is where the entry of Anderson Mobile status. If you have ever heard of the famous Hollywood actor Will Smith's 2-story motorhome, then it was made by the same company whose name was The Heat. Its price is more than $2.50 million. This motorhome leaves everyone behind in terms of its size and design. When this car is driving on the road, it looks like an ordinary big truck. But as soon as it stops somewhere, its roof starts rising upwards with the help of a hydraulic system. As soon as you press a button, and as soon as you see it, it turns into a 2-story bungalow. Inside it, there is a space of about 1,200 square feet, which is also bigger than a good apartment. It has 14 different TV screens, a complete makeup room, a kitchen that can kill a 5-star restaurant, and there is a grand lounge for 100 people. It has self-opening doors like Star Trek films, and a 360-degree security system that alerts you as soon as an unidentified person approaches. This is not a car, but a walking fort of celebrities and friends. Now imagine that you are traveling in a very grand motorhome. But when you reach your destination, and you want to sit in an open sports car and roam the surrounding roads, what will you do? The solution to this problem has been found by a German company, Volkner Performance. This is for those billionaires in the world who do not want to leave their millions of sports cars at home and go on vacation. The price of this motorhome starts at $2.5 million, and it can go up to $500,000 by adding the price of the car in it. Its most amazing and unique feature is its painted central garage. There is a hydraulic platform just below the car, which comes out when you press a button. You put your Bugatti, Porsche, or Ferrari car on this platform and press the button, and the car disappears in the stomach of this motorhome and is safe. The interior of the car is made of the most expensive wood polished by hand. It has a Permester company audio system, which sounds like a live concert. Its bedrooms and kitchen have been designed with so much care that you will not even realize for a moment that you are sitting in a car. This is a mixture of technology and entertainment that cannot be found any other example. And finally, we will talk about that motorhome, which is called the king of walking neighborhoods. This is the Federlite Ventera Platinum Plus. It is considered to be the world's oldest and greatest motorhome, whose price starts at about $2.5 million and goes up to several $1 million. This car is for those who have no shortage of money and want to see every unique thing in the world in front of their eyes. These cars have to be praised by the engineers who have considered every convenience of the world in such a small place, which a common man can only dream of. These wheeled neighborhoods express the passion of man that wherever he goes, his home, his luxury, and his standard should always be at his feet. If you have to stay in one of the aforementioned wheeled neighborhoods, which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And if you like the video and want to know more, please like and share this video. Inshallah, we will come to you with a new video. Until then, take good care of yourself.